Just kidding. Shake it. Woo! Oops. I'm not a very good videoist.
Are you taping right now?
Yeah. I was told to. Get her done!
He's gonna try and go around it?
That's what he's talking about.
That's what we did last time. That's how Ricky ended up having to make it through there in my truck. Yeah. Bump it!
He lowered.
Yeah!
No, he wants to make it better for everybody else.